Hi, I am Charlie from Zonle Doors. Doors in the building materials market has been an indispensable part. If you want to have some more information or find a supplier on this product, please remember 5 tips. First, to get the supplier who got the certificates such as ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. As we are manufacturing the door for 20 years, we have all kinds of certificates. The second, you could try to get the video or you can have a virtual meeting with factory to have a look at the production line. I think the factory exported directly to you will save the cost and help you to start the market easy. The third, if you want to find the factory that usually can support you with a small MOQ, just feel free to contact us. Fourth, you can have a look of the factory's showroom, so you can find how many items they have and show the experience. Fifth, the attitude towards customers. Good communication is the beginning of good cooperation. If you would like to have more information about the doors, please contact us or leave the message on Alibaba. See you next time.